Just in case you're wondering what's really going on with the bombs falling near the Temple Mount and the escalation we're seeing in the news, you need to understand the legal record of the spiritual tribunal. What we're witnessing in Jerusalem right now isn't just a random conflict, it's the physical manifestation of a jurisdictional battle. Since the coordinated strikes began on February 28th, we've seen missiles impacting right outside the walls of the old city. This isn't the end of the timeline, but it is the evidence that the transition toward 2028 has officially entered the pre-trial phase. I started wondering if this means the tribulation is starting now, or if we'll even make it to 2028. In the records of the Ethiopian canon, these events are described as the shaking of the earth. The reason the holy sites are being closed, and the world is in chaos, is that the world system is being dismantled. Mestima's 10%, those officers of punishment, are being allowed to stress test every nation. Their goal is to create enough pressure to force the sons of men to choose a jurisdiction. You are watching the old courtroom being cleared out to make room for the king's restoration. This brings us back to the importance of the sanctuary. If everything stayed peaceful and business as usual, no one would feel the urgency to file their records in the high court. This war is the birth pains designed to drive us out of the world systems and into the legal protection of the covenant. The 2028 restoration is the target, but the years leading up to it are where we prove our standing. If you are filed in the sanctuary, you aren't a victim of this chaos. You are a protected witness to the dismantling of a lawless age. We have to realize that the closer we get to the 2031 peak, the more intense the turf war will become. The missiles falling near the Temple Mount are a signal that the physical and spiritual safe harbors are being identified. Don't let the headlines lead you into folly or fear. Instead, use this as your evidence that the record is accurate and the court is in session. We are on the move toward 2028, and our job is to ensure our lives are fully established in the only jurisdiction that cannot be shaken. Check the comments for 100% free resources and join our school community. Like, share, subscribe, and let your light shine.